Okay, guys, we have a non-related UFO video to take a look at, and believe me, Hitchcock could not have done better himself. So, guys, let's take a look at this footage, and then we'll have a real quick chat afterwards.
Hay que uno. Yeah, go to Kayaka.
So, guys, this is what I know about this footage. This was captured on February the 7th, 2022. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is in two parts. First, it's creepy. I mean, it's very strange, and it has this Hitchcock feel to it. But secondly, from time to time, we have reports of massive bird die-offs, but we have never witnessed what could cause it or never seen it happening. And here is CCTV footage of at least 1,000 birds hitting the ground, with only a few that have died and dying. So, guys, what the general consensus is that has gone on, even though we cannot see it. So just remember, people are summarizing what has gone on, is that some of the birds in this flock hit a power line and they electrocuted the whole flock, leaving some of them to die. Well, it does sound plausible, but we haven't seen them hit any electric ground. We just see them hit the ground. So is there something at play here? What do you guys think about this footage? So until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.